What's up, Scoopers? Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, and for today's video, meron na namang mainit-init pa na chika. Ang ating pag-uusapan ay tungkol kay Kailin Alcantara at Kubi Paras. So ang chika, itong dalawa, break na nga ba? Ay best, tara na, scooping time! Kailin at Kubi, break na nga ba? Bago pa tayo mabagsakan ng heartbreak, balik tanaw muna tayo sa pakilig na simula ni na Kailin at Kubi. Bandang 2023, unti-unting napansin ng mga netizens ang landian levels sa Instagram nitong dalawa. May pa-comment dito, may pa-heart reaction doon, yung tipong low-key, pero halatang may something sa kanilang dalawa. Talagang may sparks sila. Amazing! Diba? Walang big reveal, pero ramdam ng fans na may special something ang dalawa. Walang big reveal, pero ramdam ng fans na may special something ang dalawa. Si Kubi, laging supportive kay Kailin, habang si Kailin naman, glow na glow sa mga post niya. Talaga namang inspired na inspired ang ate. Hindi sila ma-showy, pero spotted silang magkasama sa ilang gatherings. Very private pero kilig, kaya lalong na-inlove ang mga fans sa tambalang ito na Kaibi. Pero mga ka-scoopers, biglang nagbago yata ang ihip ng hangin. Napansin ng ating mga certified marites online na wala na silang recent post together. Fishy, diba? Basta talaga pag sweet couple na hindi na nagpo-post sa social media, malamang may something yan. Talagang merong kakaibang nangyari pag ganyan. Si Kailin, mga ka-scoopers, borado na raw ang ilang sweet pictures nila ni Kubi. Tapos may mga hugot pa siya sa IG stories niya. Working on myself, some endings are blessings, ay, nasasaktan yata si Ate Girl. Samantalang si Kubi naman, tahimik. Parang si Mark, tahimik lang. Charot. Dead mood ang atake ni Kuya Be. Wala ring update. Parang biglang nawala sa social media. So ito na nga ang $1,000,000 question. Ano nga ba ang dahilan? May third party issue ba kina Kailin and Kubi Paras? So ayon nga sa ating mahiwagang baraha, charot, may usap-usapang si Kubi may nilalanding babae, no? Itatago natin sa pangalang Polani. At dahil si Kailin ay isang brave at independent woman, tinuldukan daw kaagad ang kanilang relasyones. So sino ka dyan, te? Ang tapang. In fairness ha, matapang si Kailin sa mga ganitong desisyon sa buhay. Isa kang pinagpala, Kailin. Kasi kung yung iba pa nito ay hindi, te, hanggat walang nasisirang mata at napilayan, tuloy pa rin kahit harap-harapan na ng niloloko. Huy! At dahil nga mga ka-scoopers ay maraming nang babash kay Kailin, kesyo daw, ganito, ganyan, may isang common friend sila na pinagtanggol si Kailin Alcantara, which is so shocking. Tingnan natin. So, ani ng friend ni Kailin, lul, funny ng mga nagko-comment here sa ugali nila Kailin and Kubi, as if nakakasama nila sila personally. Nung opening night ng bando, I was there with Kubi and our friends, while si Kailin alam namin na she will arrive a little bit later. They didn't arrive together dahil nauna si Kubi for that day because it was their grand opening and was using Kailin's car. So while Kailin wasn't there, syempre daming nag-approach kay Kubi na girls and guys congratulating him. The encounters were short, but what bothered me and why I'm saying this is dahil there were 3 girls that came over to Kubi and he had quite a conversation with them while being unnecessarily touchy. His conversation with one of the girls, whose name is Polani, who I know, and is married for 2 years, is what bothers me. Kubi gave his phone to her and asked for her Instagram, and she more than happily typed it into his IG for him. Ang kapal ng mukha, wallpaper and locks rin pa si Kailin. I've known Kubi and his past partner cheated on him, and he knows what Kailin has been through with her past relationship. and how she got cheated on multiple times. I feel for her because she trusted me enough to open herself up to me, and how her family opened up their home to him. Finding out that he had been messaging Polani for days before Kylie found out is baffling to some people in our friend group. I believe that Kylie is right for breaking up with him and knowing her worth despite loving him so much. Being a girl and needing to make that decision takes a lot of pain and strength, and seeing comments with no basis attacking Kylie as a woman stares me wrong. Don't get me wrong, Kubi is still my friend, but I do not condone cheating. And doing this in front of us is another level of disrespect. I told this to my boyfriend, who is Kubi's friends as well. I will not be replying to any replies under this comment. I just want to clear things out because social media and showbiz likes to paint their own truths. At dahil nga ay nadawit ang pangalan ni Polani sa isyung hiwalayan ni na Kylie Alcantara at Kubi Paras, agad naman siyang nag-post sa kanyang IG story. Ani niya, "Due to the seemingly random and overwhelming amount of unnecessary hate and death threats I've received in the past 24 hours, I'd like to squash false rumors and allegations going around social media. I never knew making friends and following people on social media was such a big deal. My husband and I, who are happily married now for 2 years, know that this is just a reflection of people's boredom and hunger to spread negativity. I hope everyone uses their best judgment when reading or hearing gossip and don't immediately take it as gospel. I'm blessed to have a loving and supportive family and husband who remains by my side through this random time. Thanks." So while it is true that Kubi Paras followed Polani on Instagram, Kubi Paras did not yet make a statement regarding this issue. However, just weeks after speculations na hiwalay na sina Kubi Paras and Kylie Alcantara, ngayon lang ina-unfollow na ni Kylie Alcantara si Kubi Paras sa kanyang Instagram, di ba? At sa pahayag naman ni Benji Paras na ama ni Kubi Paras, ang sabi niya sa pagkakaalam niya, hindi naman daw hiwalay ang dalawa. So, ayun lang. As of this moment, talaga naman, hindi pa sila both nagbigay ng statement publicly kung hiwalay na ba talaga sila or hindi. Samantalang mixed emotions naman ang nararamdaman ng Kylie fans. May nalungkot, may umaasa pa rin. Sabi nila, sayang. Pero may umaasa na baka naglaylo lang sila muna. Pero yung ibang fans di matigilan ang gigil nila kay Kubi pagkatapos umanong mag-cheat kay Kylie Alcantara. Narito ang samot-saring komento ng mga netizens. O diba, nakakalungkot? Pero malay mo, malay natin lahat, Malaysia. Charot. Hindi, baka lang, inaayos lang muna nila ang kanilang relasyon bago public statement. Huy! Pala desisyones. So yeah, that's it, Scoopers. Wala pang official confirmation mula kina Kylie at Kubi. That's one thing for sure. And lahat ng ito ay guni-guni ko lang. Charot. Chika po at obserbasyones lang. Kaya wag muna tayong mag-judge. Baka nga may pinagdadaanan lang sila or baka may surprise comeback soon. Who knows, diba? Ano tayo dilolo. So that's it for today's video, Scoopers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell para sa ating mga susunod na chika.